Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, we are going to take a look on the pop-up option and the setting option. How you can create a custom pop-up and all the SEO setting for the page. So let's get started. First of all, let's see the pop-up option. So just click over here, pop-ups, and here you can see I have created one pop-up. So if you click here, then you can see the pop-up over here. So now let's create a custom pop-up. So just click over here, add pop-up, then the pop-up will be added over here. This is the default style. Now in this pop-up, we can add all the elements from here, from this elements options. We can add here video, we can add here audio, and this way we can add all the elements from this element sections on this pop-up. So now let's say I want to add a first name input over here. So how can we do that? So just come over here, just duplicate this one. And from here input type, from here email to choose first name, then it will be added over here first name. Now let's click here edit pop-up settings. So after clicking over here edit pop-up settings, you will see all the settings about related to the pop-up. So on the very top you can see here show close button. See here we don't have any close button, but if you want to add a close button over here, come over here and make it on. Then see we can see the close button over here. Then we can change the button color. If we want to make the color into red, then just select the color, then the color will be changed over here. And now here you can see the delay options. So once someone click this close button, then he will not see this pop-up again within this 24 hours. If you want to make the day 2 days, 48 hours, then just make it 2. Then it will come over here 2 days. So let's make it 1 day. If someone close this button, then he will not see this pop-up within 24 hours. Then here you can see open pop-up automatically. Do you want to open the pop-up automatically or it should open manually? So let's make it on because we want to show the pop-up automatically. When someone visit our page, the pop-up will show them automatically. So the next option is automatically open pop-up 1 second after the page was loaded. So after someone reload the page, they will see the pop-up within 1 second. So let's make it 4 seconds. After the 4 seconds, the pop-up will be loaded on our page. So you can see open and exit intent. So if you click here, so when someone try to close the page, that time this pop-up will be shown over here. And it's only for the desktop view, it's not available on the mobile. And then on the background color, here we can change the background color of this pop-up. If you want to change the color into red, then you can change the color. So I will make it into pure white. Now you can change the padding from top and all of the padding options. So the padding is fine, but I want to add some little bit more padding on the left and right side. So I will just, okay, let's make it 20 or I can make it 35. Then here you can see the solid border color. So we don't need any border color, so we'll remove the border color from here. But if you want some border color, then solid, then choose the border color from here. Then see the border color will be added over here. And now the border is full border, but if you want to add the border only top and bottom, then how can you do that? So from here just full border to top and bottom, then the border will be added on the top and bottom only. And you can see the border size, so let's make it 2 pixels. Then the border will be showed only top and bottom and the border size is 2 pixels. Then here you can see the rounded corner, we can round the corners, so I will make it 12 pixels from each side, so make it 12 and also make it 12, and this one also 12 pixel radius from all of the corners. And these are the setting for the pop-up. Now click save changes and our pop-up has been done. Now let's view this page, click view and close this. Then after 4 seconds the pop-up will be added over here. And if someone click here close, then the pop-up will not see me in 24 hours. So these are the setting for the pop-ups. Now let's say what setting we have on the setting tab. So just click over here and from very top you can see a default typography. So this typography will be set the default typography for all of the pages. So let's make it Google fonts and I want to add the pop-in fonts for the default font. Then the font style, let's make it regular, and the font size, and you can see the color of links. I want to make every color links into this color. So whatever links we will be added on our pages, the link will be shown in this color, text color into white color. This will be our default setting. We don't need to change those settings again and again. If we change from here one time, then it will be set as a default setting. Then heading typography, I want to heading this one also pop-ins. So I'll just make it pop-ins and the heading text will be semi-bold 600. Then we have here text color and then the language options. Here you can change your language. Then the background color. So this will be set as a default background color. If we start from scratch building our page, then this white color will be our default background color. But let's make it into black. Then we can add the background image and we can blur the background image. And here we have the SEO options. So here we have the title for the page. Then you need to write down the descriptions, short descriptions for the page. It will be shown on the Google. So make sure you write the very SEO friendly description over here. here, and then you can add keywords. You can add keywords related to your page, and then the author, make sure you add your author. Then you can add an image, and here you can see hide from search engine. Make sure you turn off this, otherwise this page will be hide from the search engine. So if you want to index any pages on the search engine, then make sure you make it turn off, otherwise this page will not be shown in the search engine. Then we have this. So here you can see edit header options. So you can add your Facebook pixel tracking code over here. So on the very bottom you can see the affiliation options. So here you can see we have a badge from system.io. So you cannot hide it on the free plan. So if you want to hide this one, then you need to upgrade your plan. And when someone visit our page, then they can see over here. And if someone click over here and they come over here and they create their account and they upgrade their plan, then we will get an affiliate commissions. So it's very helpful if you want to earn affiliate commission from system.io. And on the very bottom on the right side, you can see here a mobile icon. So if you click over here, then this page will be look like this on the mobile devices. Now from here you can make it mobile responsive. So we will see in another video how we can make mobile responsive. So in the next video we will talk about automation rules, A/B test, stats, leads, sales, deadline settings, and all other important settings. So that's it for this particular video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.